your boy Damon back with another video, and tonight we're gonna be going a little bit crazy. As y'all can see, I got my cars behind me right here, and tonight we're gonna be taking out the Z06, and we're gonna be spinning it for the first ever time. You feel me? So I never spun this car before. I spun my M4 before and my M3. You feel me? But tonight I'm gonna be spinning this car for the first ever time. So make sure y'all watch the entire video and stay tuned for that. We're gonna get straight into the video. You feel me? So let's get it. First off, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start real quick. Damn, bro. That shit sounds crazy. Bro, this shit is so fucking loud, bro. Damn. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm inside the Corvette right now. I got it top off. I don't know why, but I just decided to drive with the top off today. So we're finna just get straight into the video. I'm finna head on the road right now, give y'all a little POV while I'm driving over there to the spot that I want to go spin the car. I'm not quite sure about this spot because I think I only spent it like once over there and there was cops and shit. So we're gonna see what we can do today. You feel me? So with that being said, we're gonna just get straight into the video. Alright, y'all. So we're filling up the gas tank right now, bro. Look how beautiful that shit looks. That shit looks so fucking good. Good. Alright, Pop, appreciate it. Alright, y'all, so right now we're gonna fill up the gas. Fill up the gas, that's great. Right now we're gonna fill up the tank. Only 93. I'm gonna fill up the gas tank and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done. Let's go. Yeah, that shit is nice, bro.
Bro, this is not bad either, bro.
Appreciate it. Bro, that's one thing I really like about Miami, bro. It's like it's easy to connect to people because you got a supercar, bro. Like I was saying, when you have a nice car down here in Miami, bro, that's one thing that I really like about Miami. You actually get to meet a lot of people that got nice cars also. And yeah, but personally, I haven't really met people that would be like, okay, yo, yeah, you know, that's my friend or whatever. I just high and by, which is pretty cool, pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? But that's as much as it gets. Sounds so fucking good. I just can't wait to fucking tune this shit, bro. I'm super excited for that shit. Put a fucking exhaust in this motherfucker, that shit loud as fuck. I swear to God, yo, the moment I tune my car, bro, and put an exhaust on it, I promise you, nobody will be sleeping in Brickell. Actually, nobody will be sleeping in fucking Miami, bro, because I'm gonna be outside every fucking day, and I'm gonna be going crazy up in this motherfucker. That ass. Right now I'm taking it easy on y'all, but every time I modify my shit, I'm going crazy. As a matter of fact, I feel like I'm gonna fucking tune my M3 first. I'm gonna tune my M3 first, bro. Put a fucking verbal tune on that motherfucker, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna do that shit, bro. Cause I'll be driving that shit, even this shit. This is kind of loud. This is actually louder than the M3. But I'll be feeling like, yo, this shit is so low. Like, it's not loud enough, you know what I mean? Bro, what is going four-way on is crazy. This truck right here is crazy, brother. What is this fucking guy doing, man? They're like, come on, bro, park. Alright, chat, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an Osmo right here behind me so that y'all can see my POV. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The 360 camera is not working, so this is gonna be a nice ass POV spot, yo. I had the camera here a while back. I'm gonna try to straighten this bit real quick. Gas right now, but luckily I'm at a gas station. Look for this place right here. Appreciate you. Alright, so this shit is good right here. Damn, that shit just came right there. Let me see. I think it should be good. Anything. Right now we're gonna just go to the spot, spin this joint for the first time, right? And we're gonna have a lot of fun, bro. I'm actually excited for this shit.
Anytime you're ready, baby. Anytime you're ready. What's up? Anytime you're ready, dog.
Yeah.
No, I won't smoke.
Nah, you're good.
Fuck the bullshit.
Alright, y'all, so we out right now. We're going down there to the spot right now, you feel me? Yo, let me know in the comments if y'all want more POVs and stuff, because I could literally put a camera right here and just give y'all a lot of POV, you feel me? So let me know in the comments if y'all want POVs. This person's making that. Alright, chat, so I just put the car in sport mode. I turned the traction off. Now I'm gonna spin this bitch for the first time and see what's up. See how the power is going. I was gonna put it in trap mode, but I don't want to go too crazy. So that's pretty much gonna be it. Feel me? So let's get it. cap. Let's get it. This shit was fun as fuck. Bro, honestly, I'm good at spinning my M4. I'm good at spinning my M3. And I'm good at spinning this also, bro. I'm nice, bro. Like, let's be real. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, though. Was that good or was that not? Personally, I feel like that was nice. And for the first time, that shit was lit, bro. I feel like I could spin this shit anywhere, but we're not doing that. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoy this video of me spinning my Z06 for the first time. I will be posting a lot more videos like this, you feel me? So we're gonna have a lot of fun. So make sure y'all do like and subscribe, and make sure to turn post notifications on so y'all could see when I'm dropping bangers, you feel me? So if y'all do enjoy this video, make sure y'all put a thumbs up and